As you can see, it's very early. Today is day 2 of waking up 1 week for sunrise. At least now I had some sleep, because the first night I literally had 0 minutes sleep. Natasha had like 4 hours or something. I had like 0 minutes sleep. Then today I had like 5 hours of sleep. I wouldn't recommend it, but still it's worth it. Tonight I really gotta sleep early though. So I'll show you around a little bit at the place where we are right now for this time sunrise.
About things we don't see. I asked it, how do I know?
So I'm in an area called Seef. It's very beautiful. I'll show you around a little bit. Today the sun is also behind a cloud.
Said don't look for a reason, don't look for another way. Cause anyway we'll get you home. You can't get lost if you don't know where you go. And anyway we'll get you I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's very cool. The sun is like that big ball trying to get through the clouds. So if that happens, it's gonna look super cool, I think. So far this is actually one of my favorite areas in Dubai. It kind of has like this Aladdin vibe, but it's like clean, because Dubai is still pretty new as a city. So it has the old vibe of something, you know, Arabic, while being like super clean and new. So it's kind of like a Disneyland feeling. It feels a little bit fake, but at the same time it's kind of cute and romantic. I felt so lost in life, felt like I'd never arrived. My perspective was wrong.
It's kind of cool. Natasha used to actually knit her own sweaters, and this is kind of the system how they weave the rugs here. So
it's a little bit other system, but yes.
Yes.
It's pretty cute.
It's cool to see, yes. You can see here it starts. What do you think, Natasha?
It's more romantic. I'm pretty sure that if, for example, we live here together with you,
yes.
We can easily, one time per week, go to this place and drink coffee.
Yes, it's a perfect place to just
enjoy
go have a walk,
the
sunset or the sunrise, depending on when you want to wake up. It's also really cool at night. I would also recommend it. Maybe I even prefer it at night, I'm not sure. Both are cool for a different reason. We're actually here also to shoot a video with the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. We're gonna have a little photo shoot with that, a photo review. So if you're interested in that, check out my other channel where I actually have camera reviews, tutorials and all that stuff. To be linked in the description. Hoping to see you maybe also there.
I'm already home. I'm already home. This is right. This way is mine.